Guy Fawkes.
Hey Guy Fawkes, can you teach me how to draw a chocolate cake?
A chocolate cake? You're making me hungry. Let's start by drawing a swoopy line coming up like this, then curving out and along to the right, then swooping down again. This is the delicious chocolate icing on our cake. The icing is dripping down the cake, so let's draw a long curvy line from left to right like this. Now for the cake. Let's start with a straight line down on this side. Then another straight line down on the other side. Let's draw a little diagonal line at the bottom of these downward lines. Then let's connect them with a wide curve like this. Let's add a layer of icing in the middle of our cake. Draw an arc across the middle of our cake and another one just underneath it. These lines can be as bumpy as you like because icing is very squidgy and very yummy. Now let's draw a plate. We'll start with a line going straight out to the left and another line going straight out on the right. On both sides, let's draw a little line going down. Then an arch like this. Then let's draw a long line across the bottom for the bottom of the plate. If it's a birthday cake, we can add candles. Let's draw some long rectangles. You can add as many as you'd like. I think I'll add 3. Then let's draw a little line out of each candle for the wick. And a little teardrop shape for the flame. And there we have it, our delicious cake. Happy drawing!